Welcome to Global Deal Explorer. If you're searching for the best CNC engraving machine for woodworking, metal engraving, acrylic cutting, or precision milling, you're in the right place. We've compared today's top-performing machines based on build quality, precision, features, versatility, and overall value. Stay until the end to discover our #1 pick for 2026. At number 5 is the Twotrees TTC 450 Pro CNC router. This versatile desktop CNC machine offers both 3-axis and optional 4-axis configurations, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists, makers, and small workshops. Its rigid aluminum frame delivers smooth operation while maintaining impressive accuracy during engraving and milling. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, PVC, MDF, PCB boards, or soft metals, the TTC 450 Pro produces clean, detailed results with consistent precision. If you're looking for a dependable machine that balances affordability with versatility, the TTC 450 Pro is an excellent place to start. Taking the 4th spot is the OXMAN 3D WorkUltra CNC Router V2.2. Designed for users who demand greater stability and precision, this machine features an upgraded T8 lead screw tension system that significantly improves motion accuracy while reducing vibration. The strong mechanical design allows consistent engraving and milling on wood, plastics, acrylic, and even non-ferrous metals. 4-axis capability also expands creative possibilities for more advanced carving projects. With excellent rigidity and dependable performance, the WorkUltra is a solid investment for serious DIY enthusiasts and growing businesses. At number 3 is the OXMAN 4-axis CNC Engraver. Built for precision and long-term reliability, this machine combines a rigid frame with advanced motion components for highly accurate machining. One of its biggest advantages is the included DDCSV 4.1 UC300 offline Mach 3 control system, allowing professional-grade operation without relying on a dedicated computer during every project. From detailed woodworking to aluminum milling and acrylic engraving, the OXMAN consistently delivers clean finishes and impressive repeatability, making it ideal for professionals and advanced makers alike. Coming in at number 2 is the LYF 1500-watt CNC engraving machine. This powerful system is designed for demanding production environments where performance and efficiency matter most. Available in multiple working sizes and supporting 3-axis, 4-axis, and even 5-axis configurations, it offers exceptional flexibility for a wide range of industrial applications. The high-power spindle delivers fast material removal while maintaining excellent surface quality across wood, plastics, acrylic, and metals. For users seeking commercial-grade capability without compromising versatility, the LYF machine stands out as an outstanding performer. Taking the #1 spot is the OXMAN 3D Ultimate B 4-axis CNC Engraver. Engineered for outstanding precision, this machine combines premium SFS 1210 ball screws with industrial-grade HGR linear rails to deliver exceptional rigidity, smooth motion, and highly accurate machining. Whether you're engraving hardwood, milling aluminum, machining plastics, or creating intricate acrylic designs, the Ultimate B consistently produces professional quality results with remarkable repeatability. Its durable construction, advanced mechanical components, and outstanding overall performance make it one of the finest CNC engraving machines available for professionals, businesses, and serious creators in 2026. That wraps up our top 5 engraving machines of 2026. Links to every machine featured in today's video are available in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Global Deal Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.